Hey guys, it's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a brand new 2024 SSR 22 foot. It is in their new anthracite color. It's an absolutely beautiful boat. It's kind of like a gray, as you can see. This is a Pontoon with a Yamaha 150 graphite interior. We do the nice Simrad on this one. Walk around and show you the new design here. See the color there. Sorry, the sun's in a bad spot. Absolute beautiful boat, all new design. So I think it's a really good boat Bennington has come out with. See the lines there. All right, climb aboard. We'll go through the middle here. It is the quad bench with a captain, co-captain's chair. Battery switch is very accessible. Speakers in the back. Your walkways are lit, which is really cool new feature. Nice high back S recliners. Hexagon design in it. It's a great looking boat. You can see the design and the 80% cut out of the front loungers. Removable table. Got a nice cup holder storage back here. Phone storage, whatever you'd like. Storage up under the console. Side entry, of course. It's got the 7-inch Simrad on it. Rockford PMX2 upgrade. Another nice features, the new phone charger down there. Wireless charging when it's good. It's a 10-amp charger. Come see us. I've got, I think, 3 or 4 of these in stock now. Just got them all in. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.